If I reach on the road and I be a traffic, you know, I go have things, you know, come and tell you, you know, I hear, you know.
That's funny.
You not have to be my friend, nah. Me not have to be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids them. Me know them a from long time, so me not to believe in a mankind. Me future brighter than sunshine. Plus me granny tell me this one time. Me say, new level, new level. New level, new level.
Welcome guys. Morning. Still here at the hotel. Listen to that glow. Listen to that view. We just there at chill. We chilling. Not much not going. It's divine over there, so the two are we in a white Divinity Nation shirt. Yeah. It's so beautiful guys. It's a beautiful day. But we're leaving today. Yeah, kind of start to leave this beautiful view, right? Yeah. So that's what's up. Went for breakfast this morning. Yeah. That's what's up. Heading for lunch. We just checked out. Now we're heading for lunch. We twinning today. Twinsy.
Well, we are gonna.
Me a look at me. I'm not trip yo.
Across some point, I like. I'll check.
Bruh. Are you gonna come over for me, you know?
Yeah, that's just it.
Are you? You vlog.
You vlog.
What you know on vlog?
You will better here and do them more on point.
It just takes a little getting used to. Guys, we just got our drinks. We're at lunch and the man just take me soup and just start drink it. And he never had none, you know. Boy, oh boy, shake my head. What we ponder some.
Take it to us.
I got the same thing again that I got yesterday, jerk pork and fries with veggies and the sauce there on the side, and Divine got rice and peas with veggies, and what had fish in a coconut sauce and jerk chicken. Yeah, him love the bag of seafood. Him always I get seafood, so yeah. As usual, like we've been when I see we will ever eat something or we there. Me know. Well, yeah, we're going to just look for his cousin real quick. Yeah. No, up to we just we check out a good while, but we had lunch, and then after that we're gonna head back to Kingston.
Back at Kingston.
Yeah. And then we might go country later, so that's what we're up to. Green light, go 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 go. Yo, it don't feel so chill no more. Guys, we reach home and watch how mommy she walk like she royal. Watch out. Beer muggling in a beer muggling, watch it. What's up, mommy? What's up? You good? Yes. Yeah. Our kind of breezy that blow up in me.
Yo, there, man.
Shami, no, look at me. You see me, I call your phone, my girl. You peep through door. You in the kitchen and do a cook.
Which pot that? I don't know about that. I did not know about that.
Really? Really? Ugly now. Yeah, you stop walk, so every time I turn on the camera, you stop. You know if you stop. You have the house key? Yeah. We just not too long came back at the apartment. Now we're going on the road again. We're going country in the night here. Oh, me hear some beer traffic there on the road. But we'll try fight it and come back. But I know it must cool off a little bit.
That me I try tell you say me not try. They in the traffic here right now, you know. No fun with traffic more right now.
Traffic blocking. Not never really there for vlog today.
Yeah, what if? You sleep out the whole journey.
No, like the road.
Yeah, you sleep out the whole
But I already vlogged them there, they come down
no,
already.
only for the things that yeah, stop. And all that.
Divine, you lie?
You don't know what go on, man.
Divine, me sleep so deep today?
Deep. You sleep deep.
Guys, me did tired though, like bad. Me tired bad. Like tired.
Yeah, man, you sleep like a baby, man.
Really? You stop? That's the first sleep. But me never sleep a second time, Divine.
Yeah, right, but that's the first sleep.
Divine, me never sleep a second time.
Watch out, look there. Tell us the traffic up on the road, now look there already. Look here. You know, say if I drive
I mean,
reach,
you control the road clearly, you know, people.
if I reach on the road and I be a traffic in the man, I have things in come and tell you, you know, I hear, you know. Traffic out there.
Yo, this is how every day is. Like, there's so much traffic on the road. It's annoying. It's like you work hard to buy a car to get you around.
Tiana, please.
To get you around more conveniently, but then it's like you're still slow. Like you still can't get by like you'd like. If that makes sense, because there's so much traffic. It's like Jamaica is such a small country and it's like everybody's buying cars these days. Like there's the roads, we don't have enough roads for all these cars anymore. That's what I feel.
Yeah, that's exactly what
So I feel like we need more roads, but we don't have the space at the same time. Like we have to go start get some overhead bridge or something. But I don't see where that's going to happen either. So them come up with a what? But when people want to drive them cars, who you think they want to take train?
Trust.
Well, I guess you drive your car to a point and then take the train?
Yeah, drive it at a train station, park and jump on the train and go about your business.
Well, if that works, but I don't know. I don't know if that, but jump, look there, look on the road. And the road them so small, you know, and then the next thing, like people have to drive on other side of the bad roads them for cut out the traffic, and then sometimes them road they end up full up because everybody are trying to get the go up on the shortcut, and even them main road there, like when you see the camera shaking in my hand, that's because the road is bad. Like Jamaican roads are so bad, but yeah. That's what the power we you know. Guys, we there never know.
Don't dash it away.
Man, nah, go dash it way. Jesus.
Yes, I'll make sure you're here.
We'll get one portrait. You want to get one portrait? No? You don't want a portrait. We're trying to kill time, guys, because we're supposed to be heading into country, but there's too much traffic. So, by the else, go and get to my screen. Just like a link me Tiffy a little bit. If she is there, she should be. She is here most of the time, but if not, yo, up here full though. Up here full. And on Tuesday,
Then what you expect?
it's like it's full, man. Yeah, that is full. Today here, people, like I said. Nothing at all. Don't link my back on Friday. All they do a laugh for me. What? Friday, we'll go to the boat ride. How was it? Yeah, them lock it off. What AM? I have nothing else to wear underneath them blazer there, so I'm just say alright. Might as well put some glow powder on them and make them glow.
How was mommy? How was holiday?
Yeah? It was good.
Tired though?
Yeah, okay. It wasn't all that. When we would go down.
Way after the time, so like.
I like how we see going, you know. But down there, they nice. What that name? Pint? Oh, watermelon slush with alcohol. I'm not sure if it's with vodka or whatever, guys.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, and then we get this peanut. I was just saying peanut with how again? Peanut with rum cream and coffee. Yes, that's what this is. You like it? Yeah. So I'm gonna try this now. I've never had an alcoholic beverage with I never have an alcoholic beverage with peanut in there yet. Like usually drink like peanut punch and something with a peanut in there. Actually, it's good. Hey guys, someone drink off the wall. Like it was so good. It was so good. And you guys drink off peanut. Mr. Chicken here talking to us, and we got Danny. In the comment. Bruh, I'm not going to say bruh. Then guys, tell them bye. This one here. Oh, we still have a country now. Them time of the night here. But I forget my phone and
country happy.
oh yeah, right? Let me just get in my phone. Huh? Yeah, so.
You will come baby man. Hotel food.
Eat too much food. Yo, guys, let me tell you something. So the resort, every minute they will have a daiquiri. Once the daiquiri done, you must
forget that one. I do them like DJ Khaled.
He's like, yo, let me get a Bob Marley. Let me get a strawberry. Let me get a, like he loves that daiquiris. Like an yeah. Like him always hungry. Bruh. Rudick. But yeah.
You don't know what I feel that. I feel really the best friend, you see me? Yeah, you know we are best friend in that part.
Yeah.
Now I'm about the best friend. And you, you know?
Wait, what are you talking about?
Yo, yes.
What?
And you?
What are you talking about?
Oh, shit.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about best friend.
What best friend?
My best friend that part, man. No worry, my best friend is dead too. You never see it. See my best friend. You never see my best friend?
What are you talking about?
My best friend that
I never even know say that in my talk about. Like, seriously?
I can't feel like man.
Oh man. Guys, me they won't know.
That's funny.
I want one.
15-year-old swan singer.
What am I doing?
Look at him face.
I'm 15-year-old. Look like my 70-year-old.
What?
Well, them a preach the word of God to people.
How could you do that?
Sad.
Show me now to the first. Oh.
Come on for this guys. Yo, yeah.
Do it now,
No,
please.
Do it more. You
Yeah, for true. More ear shaka say for true different. Come now.
Siri. Shami wants to fight me.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Tell Siri say you love her. Tell her. Mom ear shaka say.
Siri, I love you.
Oh, I bet you say that to all your Apple products.
Siri, you're the only one I love.
If you insist.
So she now says she love you
Siri,
too.
do you believe that I love you?
It really doesn't matter what I believe.
No. Siri, I go answer. Siri, are you evil?
Not really.
Not really.
Siri, are you with the Illuminati?
We were talking about you, not me.
Sobriety.
Siri, are you with the Illuminati? Yes or no?
I'm sorry. I'm afraid I can't answer that.
Rock force.
Confidentiality.
Siri, I hear that you're with the Illuminati. Is this true?
I don't know what you mean by Siri. I hear that you're with the Illuminati. Is this true?
Ah.
I found a web search for it.
She brave.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot box. Cooking on your yeah. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey, I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. My is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My is bad and bullshit.